The Minnetonka High School robotics team, 3082 Chicken Pot Pie, has qualified for the World Championships in Houston. At our last two regional competitions, we won 2 awards and finished in 3rd and 2nd place, advancing us to the highest level of robotics competition. The first World Championship is known as the world's largest K-12 robotics event with 600 teams competing. The convention center is huge, with 8 different division fields and a high-energy atmosphere, making this event a life-changing experience. One of our biggest priorities in preparation for this is giving our chicken coop a massive overhaul. This is our pit at our last regional competition, which is a space allotted to every robotics team at an event. This is where we repair and rest our robot when not in a match. This is what it looks like to load in and load out all of the items we bring to our pit. As you can tell, it's not the most fun at school time. A group of 5 to 6 students will spend around 45 to 60 minutes individually strapping all of the carts, bins, and totes into and out of our competition trailer, which is inefficient and difficult to manage, especially on a scope as big as the World Championship. So we decided to design a new storage system to better utilize space and streamline the way we load our trailer, which will directly improve our performance in competition. In order to fulfill this dream, we need your support. We have a fundraising goal of $13,000, and to help raise funds, we're hosting a silent auction on April 21st from 4:30 to 8:30 p.m. at the Unmapped Brewery in Minnetonka. At this event, you'll be able to bid on various items graciously donated by sponsors and families. If you aren't able to attend the event, we welcome monetary donations on the Minnetonka Foundation website, where you can support us by donating via check or card payable to MHS Robotics. Your support will benefit the long-term impacts of our team, and we appreciate every single one of you.